Welcome to the UGS Course Center for Earth Science Week. Today I'm going to talk to you about paleontology.
Well, welcome to Earth Science Week. Are you guys excited to be here?
Yeah!
Do we love the Earth?
Yeah!
Yes, we do. Yes.
The Earth's timeline starts at the doorway, so that doorway represents 4.5 billion years ago.
Little crystals, big crystals, what are rocks made out of? You can see minerals. How many minerals can you see in here?
And we use minerals in everyday things. Did you know that there's minerals in your cell phones?
This represents rain in our valleys. Exactly. A model is a smaller representation of something that's actually happening in our natural environment.